How to use SHEIN Wallet money. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use SHEIN Wallet money. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the SHEIN app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, what you can do is simply browse the scene and add the items that you want to purchase to your shopping cart. And now here, once you have added the item to your cart, what you can do is just review your order. So here, just review your order, and once you're done with it, you can just have checkout, and there on the payment page you have to look for the option like wallet slash store credit or SHEIN wallet option. And there you just have to enter the amount of wallet money that you want to use or toggle it on to apply your balance. And with that, you can pay the remaining balance using your credit debit card, PayPal, or other payment method. And with that, you can just tap pay now to complete the order. And after successful payment, your SHEIN wallet balance will be reduced by the amount used. And you can check your wallet balance in your account under me. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.